Good evening to all. I am Subramanian, working as a assistant professor in automotive department in SNSCT College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the traffic management techniques on the subject of road safety and traffic rules. In this road safety traffic rule, we see about the unit of the traffic management techniques. In this, we are going to see about the topic on the test on the drivers. So here you can see that it is enhancing urban road safety, which is a comprehensive approach. This presentation will be giving you the key factors which influences on the urban road safety itself. Also, vehicle roadworthiness and how the driver's behaviors and what is being the pedestrian vulnerability and the critical role of the parking enforcement. In this one, when the vehicles are passing here, there is a pedestrian cross will be there. They have to give, even though there is no signals also, the vehicles has to give the priority for the pedestrian crossing only. Pedestrian crosses, they have to stop it for that. And also, it is not only for pedestrians, it is also for the cyclists also. So the next one we see about the vehicle testing and roadworthiness. Whenever the vehicle has been is used to on the roadworthiness, it has to be tested for the roadworthiness whether it can able to have the withstanding the road conditions also. So there will be four conditions will be there. One is periodic inspections, which we say that periodically will be checking it for the mandatory checks for the mechanical integrity, whether the brakes are applying or not, or whether the vehicle shock absorbers are working, and we see about this pressures of the tire pressures. These are periodically be checking it. But periodic inspection means we'll be having a checklist, and on checklist, according to checklist, we have to check it every fortnight once or monthly once. We have to check it. And emission standard. Next one is the emission standards. In this emission standards, we see about the what the emission is been emitted on the by the vehicle itself, which is the environment ensuring that this environment safety order. This will be checked emission once in a year. And next one we see about the braking systems. Braking systems, whenever you are able to handle the vehicle, we have to check the brakes. So what is the it must be on critical preventing collisions also. So whenever we move the vehicle, certainly we apply the brake and see whether the brakes on condition or not. And oftenly we check of the tire condition also, which gives the effects of the having the grip and the stopping distance. These third or fourth brake system and tire condition will be applied then and there frequently to be checked there. And next we see about the driver testing and licensing also. So we have to check it whether the driver has a perfect knowledge or not. So whether he can able to understand the traffic rules, and also he has to have the demonstration of the skills, driving skills also. And we also must ensure that whether he is in medical fitness, such that whenever driver is expected to have the vehicle driving not more than the continuous of the 8 hours ago. As in 8 hours is driving also, he must have a rest of the 2 hours once. Must be having some relaxations. So we must be continual education will be given to them ongoing safety awareness also, whenever is possible. And next one we see about the pedestrian safety on the key challenges also. That is vulnerability or lack of infrastructure and distractions. So this vulnerability is no extra protection is there, and lack of infrastructure is a missing of sidewalks or crossings. They have to give the priority for the pedestrian safety only. And also drivers must not use the phones or other devices while driving. And next we see about the pedestrian safety. In the pedestrian safety, you must see clearly marked the crosswalks, which will be clearly marked. The pedestrians has to be traveled, and they will be priority first. And also there will be pedestrian bridges or tunnels will be located such that will be used by the pedestrians, and there will be countdown timer also will be provided for the vehicles mainly. So in the night time also there will be lighting systems will be provided there. And finally, see about the parking issues also. Wherever the parking in urban areas, the vehicles must be parked accordingly to the vehicle by vehicle only. And also, it must have sufficient places to withdraw from the braking or withdraw from the parking also. It must obstruct the any visibilities or obstruct the vehicles of relieving from the parking area. Finally, we see about the parking enforcement techniques also, which gives the fines or which will be about the fines or towing or automated detection system. And with this, we come to the end of the session of the influence of the parking actions. And also, we thank you for all of you for listening this video. With this, I come to the end of the session. We will see the next session. Thanks a lot.